everybody. So, ta-da!
What?
This is here again. And we're gonna eat weird combos. We're gonna eat shit with that candy paper thing. I love pink, so I will eat with pink. Like this. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. It's delicious. It's delicious. It smells. Ew, that's gross.
Sorry.
Thank you. So I will eat it. You see this? It's delicious. Today I was cooking. I was making tacos. It was delicious.
Tacos.
Taco. You like taco? I know you like taco.
I hate you.
Thank you. Everybody hates me. What? Not sure I deserve that.
Ik versta niet.
Jack Sparrow. Not sure I deserve that.
Ik versta niet.
I don't know that. Nu zo, now all those chips van. That will be funny. Well, you don't see my face. What's that? Yeah. Now you see my face. So, yeah. Just my hands. It's nothing. Yeah. If you want to eat taco, you are a pirate.
Your
Heart diddly dee. If you want to sell pussy, you are a pirate. The hell? Yeah. What? What? Go with candy in our hands and
Laat weg!
Rude! I didn't take a picture of my taco. That's my pencil.
Ik heb 3 handen.
She has 3 hands, people. It's actually to ride. It's from school ASL. I hit my brother with it. I really hit my brother with it like, shut up.
Ik versta niet, oké?
Ik sloeg hem goed uit mee.
Ah.
Thank you.
Ship it. Doe dit t-shirt dan uit als je op hem wilt lijken. Een van de Tundermens die deed zo. Oelala, oelala.
I'm super gabba. And I'm doing the hula. Hula. Hula.
Hula hoopa hoop hoop.
Hoopa hoopa hoop. Oh my god, do you know, do you guys know Vic and they're so awesome together. They're good voice actors and they can sing very good. And there's one very funny song that's like Soldier Ray, the unsung hero Soldier Ray. Oh no, find the man. Soldier Ray. I wanna fuck you. Ooh. Wait, do you wanna hear the song of Wielike Roosje van Soldier Ray?
What?
Do you wanna hear the song of Soldier
What?
Ray? Do you wanna? Wait a
Maar
second.
als ik dan een keer in Nederland.
Wil je dat liedje horen van Soldier Ray?
Wil van. Fuck you.
No!
No!
No! What? Okay. Got it! Just a second.
Face?
It's a smiley box. It's awesome.
Laat je daarmee je telefoon op.
No.
Huh?
It's a music box.
Ah.
Music.
Oh.
The goes on boom, 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 boom.
Doop, doop, doop.
Yes. Oh, it's on. Okay. Oh my God, it's on. That means it's. No, I don't know. I hope it's not dead. But no. Yes. No, the Legend of Middle Earth, True Light, Cool Deep Physical Laughter from Ball Z, Nothing I Won't Give Up. No. No. No.
Yum, yum.
The fuck? Oh yeah, I got it. Woo! I'm gonna use my other box. Wait. Yes. I'm gonna use my other box because wait a second. I can't hear anything. It's annoying. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna use just this. Then my cup. No. What's this? Full. I'm gonna do it in the loud. Wait, in the meantime, I'm gonna look for my music box. I'm sorry, people. It's very loud right now. Wait, where is it? I'm gonna look. Oh, where is the fucking shit I'm looking for? Oh, it's on it. Oh yeah. Yes, I found the loader. Okay, wait. Yeah. Wait a sec. Where is the shit? Yes, here. Got it. Don't. Yes, it's in. Yes, it's in. Give me the Give me.
Aww.
Where the fuck? Wait. Yes. No. No.
Nothing.
Wait. That's brothers. I hate my CD. Sometimes Legend, Middle Earth. Got it. Soul Train. Here it is. Soul Train. Soul Train. The unsung hero of anime. We play for Soul Train. To save the day. He's Soldier Ace. I'm Soldier Ace. He's Soldier Ace. Never Soldier B. He's gotta make it cool. He'll be right under tree. But never be mistaken by my lead. Soldier Ace. Soldier Ace. Random lifting.
Hey!
You. I'm Soldier Ace. Yeah, it still works. They throw a fit. I was sex offender too. He was 10 defender do that guy.
Higher goal!
Soldier Ace doesn't approve this.
Higher goal!
Trippet? Too fake. With Noia. podcast is this? It was really a random video with my friend. I like this. I want setting time. So intense. Do it one more time. Hooray! So great. Young some hero in the bed. It's hooray! Ah! Look, you big puppy!
Gaan we stoppen, joh?
Yes, we're gonna stop.
Stop.
Bye, people.